Hello and welcome to the coverage of the Cannes Film Festival on Prudent Media. Now, apart from all the movies that are being screened here, Cannes also has one of the biggest film markets, and there are countries that set up stalls here at the Cannes Village. Let's take a look at what all happens here and which are the countries that are participating.
This is the International Village at the Cannes Film Festival. It's a global embassy for cinema. The International Village hosts more than 60 pavilions representing national and regional institutions, film commissions, and creative organizations from over 90 countries, including a pavilion from India known as the Bharat Pavilion. What began with just 15 pavilions about 25 years ago has now over 90 countries and 60 pavilions. Each of these pavilions showcases its country's film industry, culture, creative landscape, providing an ideal setting for exploring cross-border opportunities, initiating production collaborations, and forging international partnerships. These pavilions also serve as press rooms, meeting spaces, and reception areas, creating an environment conducive to professional exchange. Beyond commercial issues, the International Village embodies the spirit of exchange and cooperation on a global scale by fostering lasting relationships between institutions, professional organizations, and key figures in the industry.